Hi everyone, I am Pallavi and here I have started an initiative for understanding our mental health and working to make it better. आजकल लोग ये वर्ड हीलिंग बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज करते हैं. हम बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली इस वर्ड को सुनते भी हैं. बट हर इंसान हीलिंग वर्ड को अलग अलग वर्ड से एसोसिएट करते हैं. फॉर समवन इट्स लाइक talking about boundaries. For others, it could be setting standards. कुछ लोगों के लिए इसका मतलब होता है letting go of something या being in your power or no chasing or not settling for something lesser than what you deserve. But क्या healing is just limited to these changed new words? Is healing just about the change in words or it's more about the change in action, the change in thoughts? Just exactly. Healing is not about these new words, these fancy words, but it's more about bringing change to your thoughts and your actions. So, इस initiative में I'll make you go through the entire journey of healing in just 11 chapters. मैं हर एक चैप्टर का एक ग्लिम्स आपको दे देती हूँ, एक चैप्टर के टाइटल बता देती हूँ जिससे आपको कुछ आइडिया मिले what this initiative is going to be all about. So, talking about all the 11 chapters, the first chapter would deal with what is suffering. और आपने क्या खोया है जो आप सफ़र कर रहे हैं and healing आपकी मदद कैसे कर सकता है. Second chapter would be all about what is healing. Does it just mean setting boundaries or adjusting your boundaries, or does it include suppressing your emotions, or what else? Third chapter would be, do we need to suppress our emotions or express our emotions or stay unaffected? The fourth chapter would be, what are the steps in the process of healing? The fifth chapter would be how understanding your thoughts help you know at what stage you are in the healing process. The sixth chapter would be what all steps you need to follow in order to get healed. Seventh chapter will all be about self-love. The eighth chapter would be about how our body stores emotions. The ninth chapter would be about chakra healing and energy centers. The 10th chapter would be the need for consistency in healing. And the 11th chapter would be how the use of affirmations and switch words can fasten your healing process. So this was just the glimpse of what we are gonna cover. So stay tuned and upgrade your life.